and if the price falls, supply also falls. We can show it with the help of a table also. Complete the table. Complete the table. Complete the table. 200. So price is double, supply is also double. Or opposite also can be possible. Price was 20, this was 200. This has fallen down to 10 rupees. This has also become 100. So this is possible. This is called law of supply. If we show it with the help of a curve, how will be the curve? How will be the curve? Upward slope. Upward slope. Here we can show the slope. Here we are showing price. Here we are showing supply. Price is 10 rupees, supply is 100. Price is 20 rupees, supply is 200. This is supply curve. So what will be the shape of supply curve? Upward. It is opposite again, opposite to demand curve. Demand curve is downward sloping and this is upward sloping. Now question is, why supply curve is upward sloping? You have done the causes of law of demand. Same way we will do the causes of law of supply. What are the causes of law of supply? What makes the supply curve go up, not come down?
Because there is direct relationship between.
Why there is direct relationship? The question is this. Why there is direct relationship between price and supply? Because
Less the price, less the supply.
but why? Why less the price, less the supply, more the price, more the supply? Yes, first reason is profit. Have you finished them quickly? देखिए फर्स्ट कॉज है कि प्राइस बढ़ने पर सप्लाई क्यों बढ़ती है, उसका फर्स्ट रीजन है प्रॉफिट. At more price they get more profit, so they want to supply more. At less price they get less profit, so they want to supply less. This is first cause. Second cause is, which is more interesting, that is stock. When the price is less, what producers do, they want to sell less and they want to keep certain amount of their production or supply in their stock in anticipation that tomorrow the price will increase and then they will take out that stuff and they will sell it at higher price and then they can earn more money. So when the price is low, they keep some stuff in their stock and the supply reduces in the market. Opposite happens when the price increases. What happens when the price increases? They bring out from the stock also and they want to supply, they want to finish off the entire production. अगर आप मार्केट में जाएं और आप कहें कि मुझे मैंगोज चाहिए, आपने कहा क्या रेट दे रखा है, वो कहता है 40 रुपीज़ किलो. आप कहेंगे कम कर दो, वो कहेगा कितने चाहिए. अगर आप कहते हैं मुझे तो भाई कम से कम 1000 kilos चाहिए, immediately he will reduce the price. 40 rupees से he will come down to 30 rupees, 25 rupees. He will say I will bring from the stock. तुरंत अपने सर्वेंट्स को भेजेगा, जल्दी जल्दी स्टॉक से लेकर के आओ, इनकी डिमांड पूरी करो. Immediately he will take out from the stock and he will supply. So in the market, the supply will increase. But if you want to buy less quantity, he will not reduce the price. Because you are saying 40 rupees a kilo से 30 दो ना, कितना चाहिए 100 grams? You will say buzz off. So if the price is less, they want to keep the amount in the stock so that they can earn more profit in future. And if the price is high, to earn more profit, they will bring the entire stuff from the stock also, and they will supply more. One more reason that is responsible for more supply or less supply, that is new sellers or new firms. New firms. When a thing becomes expensive or the price increases, then what happens? New firms also start producing that commodity and the supply increases. For example, if the price of the tables increase, so everybody wants to earn the profit, and to earn the profit, those people who are producing fans, they also wind up their resources from there, they also start producing tables only, and the supply of the table increases. And in case they feel that the price of the tables is going down, what they do is they reduce the production of tables, they use their factors of production in some other production where they are getting more profit, and the supply of the tables reduce. So because of the new firms also, the supply increases when the price increases, and when the price falls, some new firms make the exit, and the supply reduces. So these are the reasons responsible for law of supply. So in the law of supply, you will not say that the cause is that at higher price we buy more and at lower price we buy less. That is not the cause. That is just law of supply. Law of supply states that only, na, that at higher price we sell more, at lower price we supply less. That is the law of supply only. You are asked why we do that. Why we are doing that? That at lower price we are supplying less, we are ready to sell less. At higher price we are ready to sell more. You have to tell those reasons. So these are the three reasons responsible for that. Now, like we had done in demand, we will do in this also. Change in quantity supplied and change in supply. The same way. It is also the same thing. Change in quantity supplied and change in supply.
बहुत तो टाइम हो गया दुकान बंद करने का।
बोर हो गया।
The same way we can make the difference. What is change in quantity supplied? What is change in quantity supplied? You know that change in quantity supplied. What is change in quantity supplied? No, not shift. Change in quantity supplied. Yes, when the supply changes due to price. Other factors remain the same, but the price is changing, and due to that the supply is changing. That is called change in quantity supplied. Give the example. Give the example. Change in quantity supply का example दो. Price 10, supply is 100. Is 20, supply is 200. So this happened due to
Price.
This happened due to price. Other things are the same. Goals of the producers are the same. Technology is the same. Government policy is the same. Everything is the same. But because price has increased, supply has increased. And if the price is falling, supply is falling. It is like that. So this will be called as extension of supply and contraction of supply. If the supply, in this case, supply is increasing, so this will be known as extension of supply. And if the price falls, supply falls, that is called contraction of supply. And here also again we can show the same thing as we had shown in demand. If the price remains the same, but due to other factors, supply changes. That is called change in quantity that is called change in supply. For example, price is 10, supply is 100. Price is still 10 and supply becomes 200. This happened, there is an increase here. This increase is due to other factors please.
Fashion.
Yeah, goals of the producers, technology, then government's policy, factors, price, the cost of production. Because of them, the supply has increased. It's not because of the price. So this will be known as change in supply. And like that, like we had done in demand here also. If the supply is increasing, then it is known as
Increase in supply.
increase in supply. And if the supply is decreasing, then it will be known as decrease in supply. Now tell me, what is the difference between increase in supply and extension in supply? In both, the supply is increasing. But what is the difference?
Change in supply, the movement along with curve and shift.
See, here also there is the supply is more. Here also the supply is more. One is known as increase, other one is known as extension. Why? Yes, exactly. When due to price the supply rises, it is known as extension of supply. And when not because of price, rather because of other factors, supply increases, it is known as increase in supply. In both the cases, supply is rising. In both the cases, supply is more. But here it is due to price. And when there is change in supply due to price, it is known as extension or contraction. When it is not due to price, then it is known as increase and decrease. You have done this. In demand you have done this. Increase and decrease and extension and contraction. So decrease and increase has taken place due to other factors, while extension and contraction has taken place due to price. In the same way, one will be known as this one will be known as movement along with the supply curve. This will be known as shifting supply curve, because here the entire supply curve will change. So again we have come to the same thing. One is known as movement along with the supply curve. We are moving from one place to other. Another will be known as shift in supply curve. जैसे कि अभी आप थोड़ी देर में shift हो जाएंगे यहाँ से. That is known as shift in supply curve. So this is the difference between these two. One is due to price, another one is not due to price, rather due to other factors. Now elasticity of supply. Same way we will do elasticity of supply. What are the methods? Again, percentage method, geometric method, but not total outlay method. Why not total outlay method? Because it is not related with the consumers. So here will be only two methods. One is to know the elasticity of supply. There will be only two methods. One is percentage method. Other one is geometric. Two methods, name them fast.
Percentage.
Tell me the formula. ES is equal to percentage change upon
Percentage change in price.
and for geometric method, not the same formula. Geometric method में in the demand, what we were doing, we were using one straight line demand curve, and on that only we were using what? Lower sector upon upper sector. This is not the case with supply. not x-axis also. What we do is, at a supply curve, at which point we want to measure the elasticity of supply, we have to extend the supply curve towards both the axes. If the supply curve we have extended and it touches y curve, y-axis, then the elasticity of supply will be different. And if it is touching x-axis, then it will be different, y-axis, x-axis, and origin, that is here, supply will be different. If it is touching 0, see this S1, this is touching 0. Here the elasticity of supply will be unitary because will change the same in the same proportion. Price and quantity both will change in the same proportion. So answer will come 1. While here, what is changing more? Quantity is changing more or price is changing more? No, here it is equal, but here
Quantity is more.
no, quantity is changing more, price is changing less. So elasticity will be greater than 1, and in this case less than 1, because price is changing more and quantity is changing less. So when in the exam the question comes like this: how can you show the elasticity of supply with the help of geometric method? That time you have to answer like this only, that when we extend the supply curve and it touches x and y curve, if it is touching origin, then the elasticity will be unitary. If it is touching y, then it will be greater than unitary, more than 1. When it is touching y-axis, then it is less than x. There are so many questions asked in past years also on this, and they have said one straight line supply curve is given, but it gives 3 answers. Sometimes it gives unitary elasticity of supply, sometimes it gives more than 1, sometimes it gives less than 1. How it is possible? So it is possible. If it is touching 0, then unitary. If it is touching x-axis, then less than 1. In one diagram only you can show all the 3 degrees of the elasticity of supply. And in percentage method also, when you use percentage method, like we have done in elasticity of demand, percentage method we had used, and we got 5 degrees of the elasticity of demand. What were the 5 degrees of elasticity of demand?
Perfectly
Perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic, then unitary elastic, high elastic, less elastic. So there are 5 degrees of the elasticity of demand by percentage method. You can make them again. पहले कौन सा गया? Perfectly elastic. Tell me the curve. How will be the curve? How is the curve?
Perfect.
Parallel to O-axis. EP is equal to what? Infinity. Then perfectly how will be the curve? EP is equal to 0. Then unitary elastic के लिए एकदम सेंटर ले लेते हैं. How will be the curve? Equal to 1 means origin से शुरू होगा, distance 45 degree. 45 degree. ES. We are calling it ES, not EP. We are calling it ES.
See this unitary elastic curve, it is not necessary that it should be 45 degree angle. can make any degree. The only thing you have to read it passes through origin.
Yes.
If
Should
it
touch
passes through
origin.
origin, then because ES is always equal. It's one mark important question. हाईली इलास्टिक का कर्व कैसा होगा?
Starting from y-axis.
Starting from
Y-axis.
or comparatively flatter. Not as flat as it is, but flatter. Less elastic?
Starting from x-axis.
अच्छा इसको ऐसे बना सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, ma'am. No.
नहीं जैसी मर्जी वैसा नहीं बना सकते वो डिमांड कर It is greater than 1. No, less than 1. So these are the degrees of the elasticity of supply. This is just as the demand was.